In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Trello board to CSV. First, head over to Trello.com and sign in so you're on your Trello home screen. From here, look toward the top or left side of the interface and click on Boards to see all the boards you have access to. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you proceed. Open the board you want to export. I'm using a sample board for this walkthrough, but you can select any board you need. It's a good idea to prepare your board so that what you export matches the real status of your work. That way, when you open the CSV later, everything is already organized and accurate. Let's update a few cards for clarity. If there's a task that's now finished, click into it and mark it complete. Next, take the card labeled Studying and drag it from the Doing list over to the Done list. That simple move updates its status, and that status will carry through into your exported file. Then grab the Laundry card from your To-Do list and drag it into the Doing list. These quick adjustments help your upcoming export reflect what's in progress and what's wrapped up, so you won't have to clean things up in your spreadsheet later. Now switch to Trello's table view, which lays out your cards in rows and columns and makes exporting straightforward. At the top of your board, click Views, then select Table. After a moment, you'll see your board presented in a grid. This view consolidates cards across lists, and it's what we'll use for the export options. On the right side of the table view header, click the three dots to open the Options menu. Choose Print, Export, and Share. This is a centralized panel where Trello groups all the ways you can get your board data out or share it with others, and it includes the CSV export we're aiming for. Before exporting, you may want a direct link to this exact table view, which is handy if you plan to share it with collaborators. Click Copy Link to put that shareable URL on your clipboard. If the panel gets in your way, or you want to see the table again, click on any empty space in the background to dismiss it. If it closes and you need the export options again, just reopen the three dots menu and select Print, Export, and Share once more. From here, you can also click Print if you want a quick hard copy or PDF preview of the table layout for reference. You'll notice additional export options in this panel. Click Export as JSON to save a structured file developers often use for integrations or backups. If you're sharing the view in a physical meeting or on a projector, you can click Show QR Code to generate a scannable code that links to the same view on Trello. When you're finished previewing those, use the back arrow in the panel to return to the main export list. Now select Export as CSV. Trello will begin preparing your file, and you'll see an exporting indicator. Click it to keep an eye on progress if it appears as a status item. When the export completes, your browser will download the CSV to your default downloads folder. If you don't see it right away, check the browser's downloads tray. When you're done with the panel, close it with the X in the corner to return to your board. That's it. You've exported your Trello board to CSV. Open the file in your preferred spreadsheet app to sort, filter, and analyze your data. The columns typically include card titles, lists, statuses, due dates, labels, and more, so you can build reports or share snapshots with your team. You can repeat this process anytime you want a fresh export that mirrors the latest state of your board.